I want to know if there's actually a mental condition for people that
You're human. And it's not normal to be plugged in 24/7. It's not normal that your CEO sends you an email on a Sunday morning. Remember before there were phones and the web? You didn't hear. Once you went home, that was it. You didn't hear from your boss or your employees until you showed up the next day. And that's how it should be. Family time is sacred. But no, we have somehow crossed the boundary where we think it's okay. And if I want an answer now, I want an answer now. And we wonder why we're constantly strung out, nervous Nellies. We can't calm down because there's nothing natural about being connected 24/7, especially with people you work with. There should be some sort of once you go home, office work stays there, home life, enjoy, relax, so you can come back into the office refreshed. But no, they just think they can send you a message and they want their response.